Moving on to solving linear equations. What does that mean?
Finding the straight line.
No, good try.
Finding the pattern to get to the straight line.
You gotta add brackets, rearrange it to find the variable.
So we want to find the unknown, the variable. See, the first one, the variable is A. So what do you think the first step is in the first one? So you can either expand the brackets, or what could we do with the 5? It's currently multiplying. So it's currently being multiplied by 5, so we could divide both sides by 5. And that gets rid of that 5. Does that mean anyone know 75 divided by 5?
15.
Very good. How did you do it?
I divided it.
Okay. This is how I did it. 25 divided by 5 is?
5.
And there's how many 25s in 75?
So 5 times 3 is 15.
That's how I did it. Okay, so now we have A minus 3 equals 15. What do we do next? So we're going to add 3 to both sides. Why did we do that?
So cancel out the negative 3.
That gets rid of the negative 3. Does that make sense?
So A is 18.
Please copy it into your books. So I'm going to minus 2x from both sides. So now I've got rid of the 2x on the left side of the equals. What's left on the left side of the equals then? What's left? Negative 12. All right, 6x take 2x. What's that?
4x.
Yep, so the 6 take the 2. What's the number out the front called? A coefficient. Remember that? So you're subtracting the coefficients. And we also have a 4 left over. What do I do with the 4? Yeah, I want to bring it to the other side, so I'm going to minus 4 on both sides. Minus 12 minus 4, what does that become? Very good. 4x is still there, and these disappear, don't they? They cancel each other out. Divide both sides by 4, and we're left with x by itself. So x equals, very good. You guys are really good at this. All right, next one's pretty tricky. This one, lots of people usually get it wrong. We've got a fraction on both sides of the equals. So you want to get rid of the fraction part, the denominator first. Okay? So we need to do what?
Times 2 from the left side. So you make two brackets and you times what the other side is divided by.
So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, and that gets rid of the 2 on that side. I'm now going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of the 3, because this is the same as dividing 3. So I'm left with 3 times, and we don't forget the brackets, because you've got to multiply all of the numerator by 3. So now what do you think we do? Expand the brackets. So 3 times 3d is 3 times negative 2, 2 times d,
2d plus 22. And then you just
and then it's the same as the one we just did before that. Bring the 2d over to the other side. So we're going to minus 2d. So we're left with 7d on that side. Everyone understand that? And now what do I do with this negative 6? Plus 6. So we're left with 7d equals 28. And what do I do with the 7? Yep. So the 7's cancel out and we're left with d by itself equals 4.